Welcome to our road test of our lovely 2014 14 plate Land Rover Freelander 2 SD4 HSE automatic. We've got 79,800 miles on the clock and we're giving it a little run just to make sure it all drives okay, and it drives lovely. It's lovely, smooth, silky auto change. I'm going to close the roof. So there's your lovely twin pan glass roof, which does have a blind as well, look. But yeah, lovely car, drives really nicely, no warning lights on the dash, everything is really A star on this car. It's been meticulously, I should say, maintained. Can't get it out this morning. Mega history on it. We've got loads of bills and receipts for the servicing, maintenance and everything. It's had 15 service visits, which we've got all documented, or 15 service records I should say. There's the last keeper has maintained it himself but kept records of everything. It's all logged and detailed, but we also have invoices and receipts for 3/4 of the servicing that has been done on it. First 2 services and supply with Farnell Land Rover. It was then serviced by Independence, but again we've got invoices for that. It's had 2 Haldex 4x4 system services, and I've got those noted because I needed to remember. We've had one done in February 17 and the other one done in February 2023. It's also had the timing belt and water pump done, which was done in May of 2024. So impeccable pedigree. History is phenomenal on it. Last MOT, you'll have, if you've done your homework and checked, you'll see that there were a few advisories on it. They have all been done. It's had new tyres on it, had a new pair of Goodyear, so it has matching Goodyear tyres all round. It's also got all new discs and pads all round on it as well, so they were all replaced. So now it is advisory free to go through another MOT. It would be all good. You can see that the discs and pads are brand new. There is no lip and they're still lovely and clean. So they've absolutely been done. And the front tyres, which I think is what was recorded, are practically brand new as well. So no expense has been spared on this car. It's been really well maintained. HSE spec now. I don't have time to give you the details of everything that's on it, but again, if you've done your homework, you'll know what these are. These HSEs are literally loaded to the gunnels. They've got everything. In addition to everything that it has as standard, it has got the reverse camera, which has got the tow hitch support benefits as well, because it has got a detachable tow bar, which I have photographed so you can see. It's also, Santorini Black, which is really nice. It's a lovely metallic black with the creamy or sort of tanny creamy interior, which is in lovely condition as well, I should add. It's got rear privacy glass. It does have the premium carpet mats, and it's got the mouldings and sort of upper lacquer finish, whatever that is. I could go on about this car all day long. It is a lovely old thing to drive. Everything's all working. You've got touchscreen, you've got your DAB, you've got Bluetooth. It's all Xenon headlights, LED day running lights as well. Looks $1 million. Lovely wheels on it. I'm not going to stop talking about it now. All the information you need to know about the car is on our website, but if there is anything in addition that you would like to know about it, or any of the other additional services that we offer, such as a delivery with our own in-house delivery vehicle, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.